Right, welcome back to the channel. Long time no see. I'm in a Outlander 2016. It's done 93,000 miles, and there's exhaust fumes coming in, and I can actually smell it now. I've got the heater on, and I can smell exhaust fumes coming in through the vents. Now, that usually means that there's a blow somewhere under the bonnet rather than under the car. It's usually under the bonnet somewhere. Manifold gasket, turbo gasket, something like that. So let's have a look and see what we can find. Customer also stated that they'd taken this car to another garage and they couldn't find anything wrong with it. Your telltale sign will be black soot from somewhere. Right, a bit more stripping required. There it is down there, look. See where the pipe is joining the flange, look. So we go. Needs a new exhaust manifold. so much. What the fuck? I think it's just charging up. So I finally got that out of there. The thread picked up on the end, and I was trying to be gentle with it, and in the end I thought, you know what, fuck it. Got the gun on there, and it just buzzed the half-inch gun. That was the DeWalt, and it just buzzed the stud out, so it's nice. So I've got new studs anyway. Right, the DPF is now off of the turbo. There's a bracket right down the bottom underneath now where we need to unbolt the DPF from the engine block, and now I can pull that right off there then, and then I can get the turbo off it. Right, there is the bracket that holds the DPF to the engine. I'm not going to be able to film undoing that because I can't get the camera in there and work, so I'm just going to do that off camera. It's only the 212s I need to do. I can leave the top one on just enough so I can swing the DPF off the turbo, and then we'll start taking the turbo off. That's tight. So that bolt there is just rounded off. It's so ridiculously tight. I'm now going to have to try and pull the manifold off with the turbo attached to it. So this is now just turned into a complete nightmare. Right, all the bolts are out now, bar one, just here. He's just loose. Right, that's it now. Right, let's see if I can get it out of there in one. Oh my God. Yeah. Get that out of the way. Yeah. Right. Oh, Jesus fucking Christ. Get up. Oh, fucking hell. Well, I try and pull the turbo out. I've undone the bolt, just yank the engine forwards. It'll go. If not, I have to put it on jack. Yeah, just yank it forwards. Can you do it or not? Oh, there we go. Fucking thing, I can't get him out though. I think that's as far as it's going to go. The top one's out. They are fucking stupidly tight. That's that one. Got him. Right, stay there for the turbo drop.
I've gone to the turbo.
Alright, well, take the manifold off. That's it. Well, that was a twat. Anyway, you can clearly see now where the crack is. Okay, so I have here new manifold and a load of studs and nuts and gaskets. Alright, let's get him on. Oh, you bastard. Just give this a bit of a wipe around. It's not too bad anyway. Well, I can't actually see what's going on the camera screen here because obviously it's right down the back of the engine. Okay, that's on, isn't it? Right, let's put the manifold on then. Come on. Right. Try and do this one-handed. I gotta get that DPF out of the way. That's it. There he goes. See him. Right, let's get some bolts started on it. Right, so I've got one nut on there to do a bolt down the bottom and one nut there. So washers, nuts, so new washer on there. New washer on there, and new nuts. I don't know why they got washers on them when they've got flange nuts. I don't know why Mitsubishi decided to do that, but they did, so why don't that fit? Oh, let's try this one. I might have to use the old nuts, they're alright, so these don't go on. Oh, that one's going on. So what's going on with this one then? The thread looks alright. Perhaps he just wants a bit of help with a spanner. Okay, right. One more bolt and he goes under there. Oh, so bloody fiddly. Right, I'll get on and do them up now. Oh, where's my fucking socket gone? Come on, you. Right, new stud for the turbo. Just wind him in now. And the one bolt that I really need, which is that one, I haven't got. And I asked them to order every single nut and bolt for the manifold and turbo, and they didn't order those two. So I'm going to have to find something now. I don't really want to put that back, because yeah, the poor bastard will have to remove that again. Probably be me. Okay, turbo's on. I've got a new bolt. I've put him down there. It's a bit easier to get on. It's not the right bolt, but it is a bolt and it fits. I've had to use the old nut on there, but it's good anyway, so that's all right. And the other decent bolt is on there. Looks a bit dark, but he's down there. So he's loosely on. So what I'll do now while it's loose is there's a bracket. This bracket here. I've got to bolt that to the bottom of the turbo. So I'll start those bolts and then tighten all these up and then tighten up that bracket underneath. Working one-handed again, look. I need to hold the pipe with two hands. Okay, that's it now. The pipe's on, but it's loose. I need to attach it down underneath now. So the turbo is all tight. That horrible bracket underneath is all tight. Right, I need to find a new nut. Okay, all this is tight now. The bracket down the bottom is tight down there. I've put this pipe on, the outlet pipe for the turbo, that's on. So now it's these heat shields, which one of them goes somewhere down there. That's him, like that. bolt goes in there. Somewhere. Right, that's him started. Right, next one. With that, let's turn the light on so you can see. Right, shift that out of the way, and then there's this one. Which goes in there. I think there's a longer bolt in there. That one, I should have another bolt somewhere. Whatever I've done with that, I'll find it now. Right, I stormed ahead. Airbox is all in, pipes are on, all heat shields are all on and tight. DPF sensors all plugged in. She's all done. Right, let's start him up and see what happens. Right, she's got a bit of a rattle, and I'm going to cover this rattle in another video, so I'm not going to explain to you what it is, but there'll be a video coming up soon where I'll cover this rattle and what to do to fix it. Alright, and that was the end of the day. Car's going out tomorrow morning. I will give it a run first thing tomorrow. I'm sure everything will be fine on it. I mean, it's only a manifold change. Quite an involved job, as you could see. Not very nice either. So, on that note, I'm out of here, and I'll see you next time. All the best. Take care of yourselves.